up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back again with another video, and I'm bringing to you an unboxing video. This box came from Amazon, y'all. Amazon. Let me just open the box. See. Let's see what I got here in this package. Made a purchase because I needed some new goodies. But these packages still. Yes, guys. I have to invest in something new because the other one just wasn't working for me. Man, this package is all bubbled up. Yes. Okay. Yes. This is what I got, guys. I got a new canvas blockhead for my wigs. I had to invest in the new one because the other one, she was getting a little raggedy. And when I make my wigs, if it's glue I'm using, it's sticking to her. If not, she's just not working out for me. This was the one I was using prior to me getting my canvas blockhead. I'm excited to get my canvas blockhead. I got this canvas blockhead thing. Let me take it out of the plastic because they got it all sealed up, locked tight in this plastic. Okay, here we go. This canvas blockhead is 22 inches. And yes, you have to measure the size, the circumference of your head just so you can know what size canvas block to buy. Everybody does not have the same size and head shape and stuff, so you need to measure before you purchase. I got this from a company called YEBO. YEBO. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's YEBO. YEBO. It's a company I got it from. In my package, it comes with this little pamphlet that say YEBO. Inside, it just shows you the canvas head block. And it shows you all the stuff it comes with. Yes, guys, this canvas blockhead also comes with items. My package also has in it, oh jeez, they got everything sealed up tight. It also comes with, it comes with a stand. Oh, wow. Okay. It comes with a stand that you can put your little blockhead on. It comes with a stand, which is good. I already have one, but it's always good to have two. So that's a plus. This is one of the little gifts that it comes with. It also comes with, wow, it comes with T-pins, guys. This also have T-pins. They give you some thread. It also comes with 2 clamps. And, oh, wow. It gives you a net to make your wigs. The mesh cap. And it also gives you a weave cap. So this company actually gives you a lot of items with your product. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 free items with your purchase. So that's a good deal. Most company you purchase from, they'll actually just give you the canvas blockhead, but this company actually gives you 5 free gifts with the purchase. The canvas blockhead, it's a good buy It wasn't that expensive. I'm gonna link this in the description box where I got it from, so you can go and check it out. I think I only paid probably like no more than $20 for this canvas blocker, and it's really sturdy. This is a good investment versus using the foam, because the foam head tend to mess up at times, and it's best to invest in one of these. Plus get the stand, and as you see, they gave you a free stand, but you can purchase your own stand to put the canvas head on. This is going to work great for me when I start doing my wigs. And you can always tell with the blockhead. Most people don't understand, like, where's the front, where's the back. But looking at it, it shows the shape of your head. So the part that has the name, I'm assuming that that will be the actual front. And then the other part will be the back, because it has the shape of a head. But again, guys, this is all that I have as far as my unboxing. I wanted you guys to see what I purchased. And again, this is a good buy. It comes from a company called YEBO. You can check them out. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye, guys.